This is section 5.4, the fundamental theorem of calculus. In this video, we're going to go through problem 35 in your book, and this is an example that includes our favorite function, e to the x. So let's go ahead and go through this problem. It's asking for the definite integral from 0 to 3 of this function. We start by first taking the integral. The integral of e to the x is just e to that same x. But remember, we have to pay attention to this coefficient here. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal of this. So we multiply by negative 1 over 6. And they're asking from 0 to 3. And from here, I'm going to plug in my top number into this integral, then subtract whatever I get when I plug in this bottom number to my integral. So plugging in 3, this becomes negative 1 over 6 times e to the 1 minus 6 times 3, minus, when I plug in 0, this becomes negative 1 over 6 times e to the 1 minus 6 times 0. And simplifying all this out, over here, I just get negative 1 over 6 times e to the 6 times 3 is 18. 1 minus 18 gives me negative 17. Minus, over here, it becomes negative 1 over 6 times e to the 6 times 0 is just 0. So this becomes e to the first. I can simplify my signs a little bit, though. This can become plus 1 over 6 e to the first. And that's really it for this problem. So we started by taking the integral of the function, then we just plugged in our top number and subtracted whatever we got when we plugged in our bottom number. And that's it. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts covered in this video are true no matter what calculus class you're in, but all the sections and problems I referenced were from this textbook right here. And remember that if you're a registered Baylor student, we offer free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can either schedule a one-on-one appointment online or just drop in whenever you're available during our business hours for free tutoring. For more information, feel free to visit our website.